Have you ever had some disappointing paint pours? It's sad. Yet, within each of these paint pours, you can still see sparks of beauty. It's just they're not wall-worthy. Wild child. There are murky places. Even my boo-boo drops. Not pretty. That one looks like linoleum floor tile from the 1950s. No worries. We can give these paintings a second chance. There is hope. There can be redemption. I really love macro photography because I can go on basically an exploration looking for miniature landscapes and new compositions within my paintings. I truly end up happier with my digital images than my physical paintings most of the time. I love playing with the depth of field and changing up the colors. I can really have control over the atmosphere, and I can create a whole new story. Sometimes we must look deeply, patiently, into the dark, ugly. Finding our beauty is a process. It takes trust, courage, intention, and sometimes we cannot shape things into what we want them to be. But we can choose to see things differently. Look for the flicker of light in the foggy distance. Allow it to dance its way, a slow sway through the landscape as hills and valleys unfold before us. There is much to behold in our inner world. Stay present with it. Listen. Create a safe space for your whole being to be who and what it is. Reclaim what was always yours. Letting go of old demands releases gorgeous delights. Oh, glory, they burst to the surface bearing all, rejoicing that you set you free.